All right, all right. Now I'm going to go over Buffer App, which is an app that allows you to store a bunch of content and share it on all your major social networks. So this is what the login looks like. And then Mohammed and I have already set up the different networks that we're tied to. But the cool thing here is if I share it, I can do a couple things. One, I can share some content, and I can choose which social networks to share it to, right? So I can be like, hey, this is my first post for Buffer App. I'll go find a article from here, from our Clock Talk website. And I'll share it on the different networks. And if I can do two things. I can share it now, or I can share it next, or I can buffer it. When I buffer it, it will go into the queue. So then if I look at the queue, you'll see that's like the article that's going to go up at 9:23 p.m. tonight. That one will go up at 4:20 p.m. and I can actually schedule and change it. Now the cool thing is it will do a couple things. First of all, did you notice it shortened the link? And then it'll give me analytics on the links once it, once I start doing more with the posts. The other thing is I can go and see the schedule of the post. So if I want to control the main times that it posts at, I can do that. I would usually just leave it to Buffer App because it's going to optimize everything. Like they have their own algorithm to do that. Within settings, you can add different team members. You can have content suggestions. You can reconnect to different networks. But the point is it'll now share those on all of these. And that's pretty much how Buffer App works. You want to source your content from good places. Now, if you start typing in something, you have to make sure these are like highlighted and click on them. Otherwise, it won't share. You can also add an image, or you can set a custom time for the post right there too. You see that? And it says the time zone right there. But anyways, that's how Buffer App works.